Guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto. We've come to do a Toyota 4Runner for a client. This is, I think, by far one of the most challenging jobs that we're going to be doing. There's heavy mold. The carpets are totally damp. There's mold everywhere you can see. On the dashboards, on the steering wheel, all the mats, all the seats. Our first reaction was actually to walk away from the job, but we had given a commitment to the customer and we don't want to keep him hanging, because I'm pretty certain that most other places he's not going to find anybody to come and do this car. So we're going to try our level best. This is the before video. Here you can see like this green stuff growing out of the carpets. We're going to get down to it and start the steamers, start the vacuuming, and hopefully we can get this car cleaned. It's going to take, I think, good 3 to 4 hours, at least 4 hours for this car to be shining. And I'll take another video during the process and after we are done, so that you can get an idea of what we face sometimes while doing interior detailing. Thanks guys. Just to be prepared, our team out here, our technicians, they've fully prepared with masks and everything else, so that they don't breathe in all the nasty stuff which is there in the car. We're going to start working on the 4Runner, and hopefully in a couple of hours you will see it shining new. So hey guys, you can see one of our technicians is steaming the entire place. We're getting rid of all the mold and cleaning the car. As you can see, we are in the middle of the process now, where we have gotten rid of most of the mold. We've done a extraction. That is not mold, that is just a frayed carpet. So wanted to clarify that. And we will put protectant, wipe down the entire place and take another video. But another technician of mine, he is trying to get into all the nooks and crannies and clean the entire place. At the same time, he will be doing the extraction with the wet pack. And up here we are steaming and wiping down the seat. So you can see there's I would say 75% at least improvement in I mean, we are 75% done, and the car looks totally different from what we got it. You have seen that there was mold everywhere and it was pretty dirty, but I think we've done a pretty good job. And I will take another video once we're done of the car. We also need to do an ozone treatment for this customer. Once we're done, I'll take another video. Hey guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto Service again. Wanted to take an after video. We've just completed the entire interior detailing process, and I think given what the condition of the car was, I think we've done a pretty good job. Hopefully the customer will be happy too. As the back seat, this is the trunk. We're back to the other side of the back seat, being the driver's side. And sure. And the landlord of the house has been pretty impressed with our work, and she's asked for a couple of cards from us as well. So this is actually we're pretty much done with the car. We're just going to run the ozone machine for about 30 minutes to make sure that any of the airborne mold and all would also be taken care of. In our mind, this would be another successful job from DNV Mobile Auto Service. If you have any interior detailing needs or mobile mechanical requirements, please give us a call. Surrey and Langley area. Phone number is 604-518-6684. Thanks.